Please consider becoming a patron of the Ramen Raider. Patrons receive special benefits like bonus videos, voting on the Patron's Choice Top 10, and early Top 10 list access. Visit patreon.com/the Ramen Raider and become a patron today. Thank you. Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. This is episode 601. Wow, huh? And what did I do? We went to Canada, yeah, and we got some noodles up there, and I can't wait to show you what we got. Check this out. It's clear. The noodles are showing. That's crazy. And then the lid. This is Pangdama slightly spicy beef noodle. Now, this is from China. What does Pangdama mean? It means either fat aunt or fat mother. So, yeah, I thought that was pretty freaking cool. So let's prep this thing and cook it up. Just got back from my daily walking, or comes with a fork. Yeah, we went and we did a nice walk. It's threatening being a nice day. We'll see how that goes. When I got home, I guess it's been going on for a couple days. I didn't realize, but the vape flavor ban is over here in Washington State. Doesn't really matter. I still have enough for like about 2 years. And probably by then, you know, we'll be doomed yet again. But you never know. But in the meantime, if you're in Washington and you are out of juice, then you're probably pretty stoked. I don't know how many vapor places are going to start selling their stuff again. A lot of them went out of business. I mean, 120 days is quite a while as far as a business is concerned, right? So, but yeah, I'm pleased. It was all a big load of hooey. And yeah, so here's, wow, lots of bits, a lot of bits, and this I believe is primarily MSG. Yeah, you can see. Good, you can see. Yeah, it has that powderiness of being very, oh yeah, very MSG-licious. Remember, as I always say, you need your sachets, so you need to knead them. If you don't do that and you've got a liquid one, you can end up with unhappiness, but you know. But yeah, fat aunt or fat mother. That's like the best. That's the funniest, at least. Get this in here. It says it's slightly spicy. The water is boiling. How does that smell? It smells like it's probably going to be a pretty good one. I see what looks like a fill line. About there. And we'll slap the lid on. And this one goes for 3 minutes. There's the Alright, so got some beef I gotta throw in this pot with a little bit of water that's left here and get that going. Because it's slightly spicy beef, I figure I should put some slightly beef in there. So there's the beef. But yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked about that flavor ban action. I'm also really stoked that it's supposed to be a nice day, so hopefully the photos that I get are pretty good. And yeah, my sleep schedule's all jacked up, yo. I mean, it's like I was getting up at 3 a.m. every day. Not lately. Yesterday, however, I felt kind of crummy. I've been eating a lot of onions and a lot of hot sauce. And I don't know why, but I remember at one point it sure seemed like when I ate a lot of hot sauce, I'd get back pain, which made me think maybe I shouldn't eat so much hot sauce. Maybe it's some kind of pH thing messing with some organ related. I don't know, but I don't like to mess with my organs. If I get cut, I can see it. You know, if it's inside, it's like, ugh. So, but yeah, I felt kind of crummy yesterday, and I ended up editing. God, what did I do? I woke up early. I did two unboxing videos and edited those. I did a chocolate break that I edited a chocolate break, and I edited the entire top 10 South Korea list, which takes a long time. And I got the reviews posts ready for doing the two I'm doing today. I think I did something else. No, I think I did an intro or an outro for the show. But yeah, I mean, it was a really productive day. So I'm pretty thrilled with that. We got about 30 seconds left. God, it was something else I was going to talk about. Big shout out to my only Patreon person, Lucky Lola. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. If other people would be so kind to follow suit, she is able to look right now. If she looks at her messages on Patreon, she'll see that she can go see the top 10 South Korea list before anybody else can. Right now, you can go see it because it's out. But as of today, she's the only one. So that's gotta feel pretty good on a Monday. But yeah, it's coming out next week. Wow. Here's our slightly spicy beef. Hey Mimi, how you doing? What's up? You just hanging? I'm gonna try these slightly spicy beef noodles. It's what your papa does. He eats noodles. Cheers. Garnish? I don't know what that is.
What pepper jelly? What pepper?
You don't want peanut butter and jelly. I don't know exactly what this is, but it's chewy. It might be tofu skin. I don't know. Not bad. Right, Mimi? It is not bad at all. It's pretty spicy, I'm gonna say. I don't know why they're calling it slightly spicy. You want some more chips? Okay. I say okay. So yeah, I just boiled some beef. That does in a pinch. You get this little girl some chips. Thank you. Did you just say, why is Daddy so sensitive? That's not me. What? Oh, don't mess with that. Don't mess with that there. What do you say? You're welcome. Why is Daddy so sensitive? I don't know. Oh, Caillou's sensitive. Well, yeah, he's a whiny little so-and-so. That's like my least favorite is Caillou. But she likes it, so that's fine with me. So it's got some Szechuan pepper heat to it. I'm gonna throw some mung bean sprouts in it right now too. And I'm gonna throw this beef in. Make it a little more beefy. So let's do that. And this slightly spicy beef. I want to thank Annie over at Red Chef, because I asked her, I was like, hey, can you translate for this for me really quick? Does this really say fat aunt? She's like, yep, fat aunt or fat mother. So, that's funny. That's like the greatest name I've ever seen on an instant noodle. I don't know if that's the company name or just the name of the range. I'm pretty sure it's the company name. They're good. Yeah, I wouldn't be saying bad things about my mother or aunt if she served me these. Not at all. And in other news, my boy Bernie's doing great, it sounds like. I don't know whoever won that dumpster fire of Iowa, but I think it's too bad how it went that way. It's like, come on. Anyways, enough of that. Alright. Let me find something a little less weird. Here we go. Here's some instant noodles for you. Rotato, let it rip. Yeah. Rotation while trying to plate things isn't always the best deal. But here we are. Got an egg. Alright, cool. Well, hey, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.